Did you know that 92% of online businesses fail at digital marketing? Most fail not because they don't try, but because they miss strategies that actually work. A few years ago, I was making just $800 a month online. I tried everything social media, ads, even courses, but nothing worked. Then I mastered the right strategies, and within months, my business grew to over $300,000 a year. Hi, I'm Fahad, founder of WealthWise. Today, I run multiple digital businesses generating six-figure revenue every year, and I've helped hundreds of people build real income streams using strategies that actually work, no fluff, no gimmicks. In this video, we're covering the 7 proven digital marketing skills you actually need, a 90-day plan to start mastering them, and a step-by-step roadmap to start earning real income. I'll also show you free tools and real examples so you can apply them immediately. Stick around until the end, and I'll reveal the single strategy that makes the biggest difference, the 190% of marketers ignore, and that's why most fail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use it to get real results and grow your income. Before we dive in, hit subscribe to join our WealthWise community for ongoing tips, and sign up on our website for our free weekly newsletter, including a resource pack with templates, checklists, and guides, completely free, no paid tools or courses. Digital marketing uses online channels like social media, search engines, email, and websites to attract customers and grow your business. It's about reaching the right audience, building trust, and turning engagement into revenue. With 4.8 billion people online and the industry expected to hit $786 billion in 2025, businesses that leverage digital marketing grow twice as fast. Even global companies like Amazon and Shopify rely on search ads, social media, and email campaigns to reach millions of customers. Digital marketing isn't just visibility, it's measurable results. With the right strategies, even small businesses can compete online. Let's now move into the top 7 digital marketing skills you need to master in 2025. Number 1. AI-powered content creation. 70% of top marketers use AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper. AI helps create content faster, stay consistent, and scale marketing without large teams. I used AI to create 30 days of social media content in just 2 hours, doubling my traffic. Many beginners struggle to post consistently. AI can generate ideas, captions, blogs, or scripts. Always review and personalize content to stay authentic. Number 2. Social media and community building platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn let businesses reach millions. Building a community creates trust and engagement. Consistent posting, interacting with your audience, and providing value is key. Analytics help you see what works. Strong communities turn followers into loyal customers. Number 3. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO improves your website and content ranking on Google, YouTube, or social platforms. Higher visibility brings traffic, leads, and sales without constant ads. Focus on keywords, website structure, headings, and valuable content. Consistency and quality matter more than quantity. Number 4. PPC and paid ads. Pay-per-click ads like Google, Facebook, and Instagram let you target audiences precisely. Proper targeting and monitoring are key. Test different creatives, track performance, and scale what works. Paid ads provide fast, measurable results unlike traditional marketing. Number 5. Email marketing automation. Automated email sequences sell products 24/7, like welcome series, promotions, and abandoned cart reminders. Segment your audience, personalize content, and track performance to optimize results. Automation builds relationships and generates consistent revenue. Number 6. Data analytics and conversion optimization. Analytics track user behavior, campaign performance, and website activity. Conversion optimization uses data to improve results. Track clicks, traffic sources, and conversions. Test headlines, buttons, or layouts. Data-driven decisions save time and grow your business faster. Number 7. Video marketing and AMP. Personal branding videos, short clips, tutorials, live streams, storytelling get more engagement than text or images. Personal branding builds trust and credibility. Start simple, be consistent, and use analytics to see what works. Video helps connect emotionally, grow authority, and build a loyal audience faster. Now that you understand the 7 in-demand digital marketing skills, here's why they're so valuable in 2025. Businesses need digital marketing more than ever, accelerated by 5 years of digital adoption during the pandemic. LinkedIn lists over 860,000 jobs, but there aren't enough skilled people. Companies pay top dollar for measurable results, tracking every click, lead, and sale. Freelancers and project-based specialists are in demand, perfect for remote work or side hustles. AI tools like ChatGPT help with copywriting and content, while privacy-first marketing and video and voice search are shaping how consumers discover products. If you want a full video on top 2025 trends, comment trends below. Next, here's how to turn these skills into real income with a 90-day skill building blueprint, even starting from zero. Stick around, this could be life-changing. Here's how you can build these skills in just 90 days. Days 1 to 30, foundation, pick 1 to 2 skills based on your interests and demand. SEO and social media marketing are a great combo. Learn for free with Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, or YouTube tutorials. Don't just watch, practice. Build a mini project like a website, social media page, or content calendar. Action beats perfection. Days 31 to 60, applications, start applying your skills. Offer services at a discount or free to collect testimonials. Create profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and network in digital marketing groups. This stage is about gaining real experience and building proof that you can deliver results. Days 61 to 90, monetization, turn your skills into income. Build your personal brand by sharing results on LinkedIn, Instagram, or your website. Raise rates as your portfolio grows. Niching down, like working with gyms, restaurants, or coaches, helps you stand out and attract high-paying clients. Consistency is key. Even 2 to 3 hours a day adds up. Track progress, document results, and celebrate small wins. They fuel momentum. If you want my free digital marketing starter kit with worksheets, checklists, and resources for the first 90 days, comment action below. Next up, how to land your first client, even with no experience or portfolio. This could be life-changing. For more on getting clients online, check my video on lead generation, link in the description. Step 1. Start with free learning resources. You don't need expensive courses. Use Google Digital Garage for SEO, ads, and analytics basics. HubSpot Academy covers social media, email, and inbound marketing. YouTube tutorials are great for SEO, Facebook ads, or email campaigns. Facebook Blueprint helps you master social media advertising. Step 2. Build a portfolio show. Don't just help businesses hire proof, not promises. Launch a simple website or blog, or grow a social media page in a niche you care about. Document results with before and after screenshots, analytics, or growth metrics. Even small projects show clients you can deliver results. Step 3. Practice on yourself first. Test everything on your own projects before offering services. Experiment, track results, and refine your approach. This builds confidence and experience. Drop a comment. Which skill are you most excited to master first? SEO, PPC, social media, or email marketing? Your answer might inspire someone else to start today. As promised, here's the single strategy that makes the biggest difference, the 190% of marketers ignore, and that's why most of them fail. That strategy is marketing psychology and consumer behavior. Understanding why people buy is more powerful than any tool or platform. Once you know what drives human decision-making, every campaign you create becomes far more effective. Here are 3 psychological triggers that work almost every time. 1. Scarcity and AMP. Urgency. Limited time offers drive immediate action. 2. Social proof and AMP. Authority. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies build instant trust. 3. Loss aversion. People fear missing out more than they want to gain. When I started applying these triggers, my conversion rates jumped by 340%. That's the power of marketing psychology. It helps you make smarter decisions, design more effective campaigns, and boost sales without increasing your ad spend. Let's quickly recap today. Digital marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's your gateway to high-income freelancing, remote work, and real financial freedom. Here's what you now know: what digital marketing is and why businesses need it. The 7 most in-demand digital marketing skills in 2025. Why these skills are so valuable and how the market is exploding. A 90-day skill-building blueprint to go from beginner to confident practitioner. Step-by-step ways to land your first client, even with zero experience. Here's your challenge. Pick one skill from today's video, spend the next 30 days learning and practicing it, and then come back to share your progress. Remember, small, consistent action creates real results. Next week, we'll dive into Social Media Marketing 101, building a brand online. If you know a friend or colleague who could benefit, share this video. It might just change their business or side hustle. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates and sign up on our website for the free weekly newsletter and resource pack with templates, checklists, and guides to help you grow your digital income. Join our free WealthWise community too, link in the description, for ongoing tips, strategies, and support. And remember, your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Start now, stick with the plan, and let's make digital marketing your path to freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.